What's up, guys? Corey here.
Sean here.
We're back at Buckhorn on Big Red. Just checking some things out here. We had some pretty good rain this week, so we thought we'd come down. You can see the Grotto Hole number 2 behind us. We've got some good video, our last video that we put out. If you want to go check that out, the link is to the link to the video is in the description. So go check that out. You got nothing to say?
I got nothing to say.
He's got nothing to say. So we're gonna go ride. Get out and explore.
Trail is currently closed.
We got a big old limb in it. Coming down through here, there was a little trail that went off to the side. Never seen it before, decided to check it out. A heck of a camp right here. Right up the hill, you can see where people have driven down here in their side-by-sides or Jeeps or whatever. Side-by-sides right up there behind that tree. It's a super nice camp right here next to this creek. We got the little waterfalls right here. Very nice. I think we like this place well enough. We're gonna have our lunch right here. Bet our lunch spot's better than yours.
Fat Guys Turtle Relocation Projects.
See you, dude.